A polygraph test is used to determine whether people are telling the truth or not, but it's not completely accurate. When a person tells the truth, they have a 20% chance of failing the test. Each test outcome is independent of any previous test outcome. 10 people take a polygraph test and all 10 tell the truth. From the given information, we know this is a binomial distribution because there are two outcomes: failing the test or passing the test. A. Calculate the expected number of people who will pass the polygraph test. X follows binomial distribution with n equals 10, and probability of passing this polygraph test is 1 minus 20% equals 0.8. X follows binomial distribution with 10 and 0.8 as the probability of desired outcome. The expected number means the mean equals n times p. So E of x equals 10 times 0.8 equals 8. B. Calculate the probability that 4 people will fail this polygraph test. N equals 10. Probability of the desired outcome is 0.2. So X follows binomial distribution with 10 and 0.2 as the probability of success. We are looking for probability of X equals 4. We will go to binomial PDF. 10, 0.2, and 4. Menu 5, 5, 8, 10, 0.2, 4, enter, 0.0881. C. Determine the probability that fewer than 7 people will pass this polygraph test. N equals 10. Probability of desired outcome is 0.8. X follows binomial distribution with 10, 0.8. We are looking for probability of X less than 7, which means we are looking for probability of X less than or equal to 6, greater than equal to 0. Go to binomial CDF. 10, 0.806. Menu 5, 5. B. 10, 0.8, 0, 6. Enter, enter. 0.121. Let's go to D. Determine the probability that more than 6 people will pass this polygraph test. N equals 10. Probability of desired outcome is 0.8 because it's passing this polygraph test. X follows binomial distribution with 10 and 0.8 as the probability of success. We are looking for probability of X greater than 6, which means X greater than or equal to 7, less than or equal to 10. Go to binomial CDF. 10, 0.8, 7, 10. Menu 55B, 10, 0.8, 7, 10. Enter, enter. 0.879. Let's go to next question. Adam travels to school by car or by bicycle. On any particular day, he is equally likely to travel by car or by bicycle. The probability of being late for school is 1/6 if he travels by car. The probability of being late for school is 1/3 if he travels by bicycle. This information is represented by the following tree diagram. Find the value of P. For the tree diagram, the sum of probabilities from the same node will be 1. Therefore, P equals 1 minus 1/6 equals 5/6. For tree diagram, you need to do the multiplication of the probabilities along the branches. 1/2 times 1/6 equals 1/12. 1/2 times 5/6 equals 5/12. 1/2 times 1/3 equals 1/6. 1/2 times 2/3 equals 2/6. Let's label. CL prime, BL prime. This means by car and late. This means by car not being late. By bicycle and being late. By bicycle and not being late. B. Find the probability that Adam will travel by car and be late for school. By car. C. Be late for school is L. So CL 1/12. C. Find the probability that Adam will be late for school. Late for school, L. Just check the labels with L. This and this. So we will get 1/12 plus 1/6 equals 1/4. D. Given that Adam is late for school, given that we'll go to denominator, which means 1/4 is the probability of being late. Go to denominator, 1/4. Find the probability that he traveled by car. Just check which two probabilities form this 1/4. 1/12 and 1/6. Either one could be the numerator. Let's check back. 1/12, we have this by car. So 1/12 go to numerator. Final answer is 1/3. Let's go to E. Adam will go to school 3 times next week. Find the probability that Adam will be late exactly once. Since this event has only 2 outcomes, being late or not being late, 3 times exactly once. This is a discrete data, so this is a binomial distribution. N equals 3. Probability of being late is 1/4. So P equals 1/4. X follows binomial distribution with 3 and 1/4 as probability of being late. We are looking for probability of X equals 1. We will use binomial PDF using these 3 data to figure out the answer. Menu 55A. N equals 3. Probability is 1 divided by 4. X value is 1. Enter, enter. Answer is 0.422. Equals 0.422.